Hey, it's Big Jeff coming to you with another unboxing, another video.
This way you can see it before you buy it.
I'm actually in my house, in my game room, on my pool table, healing up still. Thank you for all the support. Make sure you hit that like button, share this out, and we're done, leave a comment. And we're starting up giveaways, so you might want to keep watching these videos because one of them will be a giveaway. This right now is the other Kicker Warhorse. This is the sub amp, which is the WXA36001 which is 3600 plus RMS power, 5000 watt dynamic power. And Kickers are, weird because they rate it very strictly. It always does more and capable of doing even more than that. It's not cheap. $1,000 for this amp, $999. But you're not just paying for the Kicker name, you're paying for the service, the excellent warranty, the tech support, and the quality of the product that should last you as long as you're in this industry. Well, let's get in and open this up because this is really cool. This thing has a bass knob and also a Diagnostics basic cube that does voltage, amperage, temperature, all the above. So we've seen a lot of amps out there have it all in one, and this is the first time seeing it separate. Really cool. First thing you always get is you get the certified power. This amp actually put out 4688 RMS, so way over the 3600 watts. So we'll just say this is a 4500 watt amp. And these aren't pre-printed. This actually has the serial number on there, and these things get tested. And I was told that most Kicker product is tested for 24 hours steady. In here, which we just did a video, depending on which one you saw, on the 4 channel, has really bulky screws. A lot of times we get screws in the amplifier that you would never use because it's just too small. These will actually mount this thing, 2 Allen wrenches, and a user's manual. On this side, you're going to have your Diagnostics box and also a Cat5 cable. Cool thing about this is you screw a magnetic mount in somewhere or double stick it, and then you can pull the box on and off of it. That simple, so it's not permanently mounted. So there's a magnetic clip at the bottom, and this can pull off if it was mounted. And on here you have power, amperage, temperature, and voltage. Really cool. And that's done with Cat5. On the other side here, I'd probably say Kicker, if you ever watch this, you need to change that. People don't like seeing these 3.5 jacks. I understand it's just a volume control knob, but I guess for that case, you don't need it. I still like using the Cat5 foam wire so you can get it longer. It is metal. It does have the magnetic clip. Kind of cool here too, because when you put the 3.5 jack in, so I'll take it back because that's one of the problems, they pull out easy. They actually have it's like a little clip that clips onto it so you can't pull it out. So I'll give it 2 thumbs up. Okay, potentiometer is cool because it actually has clicks. So other ones are tight and you feel it. This one actually, each movement is a click like on a watch. So it's pretty accurate if you're really adjusting the output. So I kind of like that. It is small. Same thing, magnetic. I like that. Let me put this back in the bag so I don't lose it. Now this is a really big box. It's a heavy box. I'm going to guesstimate. I don't have my scale here, but it's definitely over 20 pounds. Why? Well, they did a lot extra on the heat sinks. There's variable fans in here. They actually have a processor that turns them on and off. Real cool. Okay, and then they really did a lot for the packaging. But before I pull this out, first thing on every Kicker product is a big stop sign that says, "Stop, please do not return this product to the store." It doesn't mean you can't return it to us. It's just saying Kicker wants you to go directly to them. That's part of the deal of buying their product, and they can tech support it, repair, replace, or whatever. They also like to keep in touch if there is defects or issues. So that's a company that takes pride in their product. So, yep, you can call us. A lot of times we're going to still do the warranty through Kicker. So to just go straight to them, make it quicker, you can go 1-800-256-KICK or support@kicker.com. All right, take this heavy beast out. Whew. This thing is heavy, so the heat sinks ain't no joke. And I learned that amplifiers that have more metal or aluminum or whatever they're making out of die cast allows for the heat to disperse throughout the amp and exit. So that is a good thing. We're going to be doing a giveaway with this amp and the 4-channel, so I'm not worried about busting this open because we're going to actually give these away on a video that you'll have to share and comment and all that. And then you might actually win $1,800, almost $2,000 after shipping worth of kicker amplifiers. So make sure you look for that on YouTube, Facebook, and all the rest. Don't want to miss out maybe winning something for free for just doing some simple sharing and stuff. Okay, this thing looks awesome. What I like about it is we just did a video. You can go search in our YouTube for the WXA36001 It's basically the same size. So if you put these together, it would look really cool for cosmetics. We do have Tiffany style remote RCAs. Really cool. I don't know, that's almost 4 gauge, but we'll say definitely 8 gauge, maybe 6 for speaker outputs. And this is a Class D full bridge. You have 2 sets here, which is cool. Gain control, low pass, subsonic, input level high or low. You also have the same clip on here for the remote, the 3.6 jack. DC turn on, so you can make this automatically turn on by itself without running a remote wire from the radio. And you also have the comp mode. Not really sure what that is. Anybody knows what comp mode is, or they've already researched it, put it down in the comments. And I can see the fans here. So there's 2 fans right here that actually blow through the whole amplifier. Let's get to the other side. I mean, this thing is pretty heavy. It's probably more than 20 pounds. Whoa! Double 0 gauge power and ground. Also remote in, remote out, which is cool, so you don't have to wire up a relay. So you have beveled edges. Beautiful. Let me see if the camera can even pick that up. And you have double 0 gauge. Why? Well, the amp produces RMS close to 5,000 watts, so that's why. But $999.99 shipped. And if you buy kicker wire amp kit with this on the invoice, kicker will also extend you 1 year extra warranty. So it might be worth it to pick that up. Hey, all this is on BigJeffAudio.com. I'm Big Jeff, healing up. Been in the hospital for a month, rehab, and now back at my house healing up before I get in the office. But I'm doing the videos, and we're about to do some giveaways. So stay tuned. And we're going to have a podcast coming up. So always check out Big Sound by Big Jeff podcast. We're kicking those back in. Hey, here's another unboxing. I know it's not the normal where we hook it up and get a close-up, but we're doing this from the house. Still bringing you content. And make sure you leave that comment, like, and share. Comment, like, and share. Comment, like, and share. I'm Big Jeff. I'll see you on the next one.